Many of you may have heard that in March of this year, the Department of Labor issued a new test to determine whether or not someone is an independent contractor or an employee. This applies to anyone, basically virtually everyone in this room. Because if your business makes more than $500,000 in any given year, or does business across state lines, then this test applies to you. The IRS test applies to virtually to everyone, obviously, for IRS tax purposes. And in fact, you can have someone who's either an independent contractor or employee under the IRS test and still you can have contradictory results. And then ABC. So ABC applies in California and in many other states. I'm licensed in California, located here in this lovely state. And ABC applies here. So I've spoken with many of you, and many of you say, oh, I've been using independent contractors for many years. That may be fine, but starting in about 2019, particularly here in California, we had something called AB 5, Assembly Bill 5 that passed that sort of, touched off the whole gig economy, presumption of employment. Uber almost left the state. So this whole trend towards enforcing someone to be this presumption is spreading across the country, and so applies to everyone.